Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory 2022. When Aprilia introduced the Tuono 660 in 2021, the new naked bike owed much of its form to the RS 660 sport bike. However, the Knoll, Italy, factory replaced the yoke-mounted clip-ons with handlebars, shaved down the front fairing and bodywork, and retuned the 659cc parallel twin for street duty. For the riders that enjoy riding the canyons as much as they like the track, the 2022 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory pairs naked bike comfort with sport bike-worthy performance. The base model Tuono 660 features a KYB 41mm inverted fork and KYB shock with rebound damping and preload adjustment. The new factory variant ups the ante with a full adjustability for the KYB fork and an oil reservoir-equipped Sachs shock. Both offer compression adjustments in addition to the rebound damping and preload settings, allowing users to adapt the Tuono 660 Factory to their riding style and current conditions. Along with the new suspenders, Aprilia upgraded the liquid-cooled, 659cc parallel twin with a 16-tooth pinion gear. The shorter final drive results in a 5-horsepower boost. The Tuono 660 Factory now peaks at 100 horsepower, at 10,500 revolutions per minute. Despite the gearing change, Aprilia preserved the maximum torque of 49.4 pounds-to-foot at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Of course, the 270-degree firing order and strong mid-range retain the parallel twins' character, but the updates make them more versatile than ever. The factory trim's revised engine also benefits from Aprilia's weight-saving efforts. Touting a new lithium battery, the Tuono 660 Factory weighs in at just 399 pounds. The new battery saves 4.4 pounds on the standard model, and further improves the naked bike's impressive power-to-weight ratio. Like the standard Tuono 660, the Factory is equipped with Aprilia Performance Ride Control suite of electronic rider aids. The packed electronics suite boasts adjustable traction control, engine brake, and engine maps. 5 customizable ride modes, a quick shifter, and cruise control optimize performance and efficiency, while multi-map cornering ABS and Aprilia's cornering lights enhance safety. The 2022 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory will be available in a single-seat configuration with factory dark graphics. Aprilia hasn't announced its availability or pricing, but we expect the MSRP to be a stone's throw away from the standard variant's $10,499 list price.